What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel for an all-new episode of Shampoo Search, the segment where I explore different shampoos and conditioners, different cleansers, to not only help you find the best ones for you and your hair type, but to also help you deflect all those pesky shampoo myths in the process. Today, we're taking a look at a brand new cleansing duo that actually just launched yesterday. So we got kind of a twofer here for today's video. We got a first look at a new product and a new cleansing set to help us in our search for the perfect shampoo. Here we go. Alright, so first of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so excited to have you guys here with us. And if this is your first episode of Shampoo Search here on the channel, the reason I started this segment was really out of my own necessity. I was using a brand, this is a long time ago now, but I was using a brand that I became no longer happy with. And when I started looking for new brands, new shampoos, I not only saw that there was about a bajillion brands out there, but I also found that for every cleanser out there was a myth to go along with it, and it was all just confusing and pretty much a hot mess. You know, don't use this, stay away from that, sulfates will make you go bald and sprout horns like a mountain goat, all the usual stuff. So I started this segment to help make sense of all this, and so far we've actually looked at quite a few awesome cleansers, and today we got a brand new one from our friends over at By Vilain, the Rush Cooling Shampoo and Cooling Conditioner. Now, I was honestly hoping to have this video out prior to the launch yesterday, as I usually like to do with new products, but of course the mail service had other plans, as it became evident by how long this took to reach me that the package carrying these two was sent by donkey. As usual, they got here much later than expected, but no worries, I got everything prepared for you guys as planned. And for starters, let me tell you where these fit into the By Vilain lineup. You see, the new Rush cleansing set is actually taking the place of the Skyline Breeze set that we've actually known until now within the line. Now, this does not mean they are the same formula. Let me repeat that one more time. They are not the same formula. It literally just makes no sense to have both of these in the lineup, especially because the new Rush set, in all honesty, really puts those old cleansers to shame in a big way. This is the new Rush Cooling Haircare Duo, and the major point of these two new cleansers is to soothe, stimulate, and strengthen the hair and scalp, and to do that, they utilize powerful ingredients like menthol, vitamin E, and avocado oil. Now, to put these to the test and show you how they work for me, I decided to first load up my hair with a couple of different things on top of second day hair. I'm going to first use a scoop of the new Black Gold, which, just as I predicted, by the way, sold out completely this weekend. I think sales records were set with this one. It was unbelievably quick. I'm also going to use a scoop of Nevermore here since it's a bit dry and sticky, and then lastly, a nice scoop of the Cavalier Clay. And I'm doing that only because you guys keep telling me that it's super hard to wash out. Now that we're loaded up and looking a bit scary here, I'm just gonna wet my hair to prep for shampooing, and then I'm gonna add in a bit here and just move it around. Nothing special here, except if you notice, there isn't much lathering. This did kind of throw me off at first because I couldn't tell if it was actually working, but after testing it several times, I found that this is actually perfectly normal. It is recommended here, though, that you do leave the shampoo in your hair for around 1 minute to let it fully absorb and take effect before rinsing. And here we got the blow-dried hair after rinsing, of course, without the conditioner. That's very important. It does not have the conditioner in there. We can see all the products gone, and it looks awesome, good volume. It's actually pretty soft too for not having conditioner, but we do need to check that too. So let's reset the hair real quick, and we can add in the conditioner and really take this to the next level. Let me tell you, adding this in here is just like adding in a blanket of warm, soft sunshine nourishment, just waiting to cuddle your hair follicles. There really is just something extremely soothing about using this conditioner, and almost like the shampoo, it is recommended that you leave the conditioner in your hair for a full 2 minutes before rinsing it out to get the full effect, which you can see right here in my blow-dried hair. And look at that volume. It's just got some natural bounce to it. It's not frizzy. It's just begging now to be styled. And we're gonna do just that. We're gonna finish off this here with a couple scoops of of the Gold Digger wax and show you how that natural volume translates into my usual style. I literally have to put in almost no effort to get it to work. I just add in the wax and do a bit of shaping and molding, and there we have it. It really couldn't be easier. Man, let me tell you, not only does this work, as you just saw, to clean the hair and keep it nourished, but it's also very soothing, almost therapeutic really. That cooling effect that we actually saw in the previous Skyline set is just amplified here. It's turned all the way up. It's much more noticeable. And for me, I gotta tell you, it's just very relaxing as it sits there on your scalp. There's something very relaxing about that good tingle, and that continues even after you get out of the shower. I can feel it up there just tingling away as I'm drying it off, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, who doesn't love a good tingle? Now, of course, for the size of the bottles, they come in the regular size here of 7.25 ounces. It's the same as what we've always had from By Vilain. And of course, they offer these really nice travel sizes as well. These come in handy when traveling, of course, but you can also pick these up just to sample the cleansers before committing to a full-size bottle. Now, as far as actually comparing these, I'm not going to try and go into big long comparisons with these to other shampoos because you guys already know that I think comparisons are pointless, and here they're super pointless. I mean, this is a shampoo and conditioner. It's not like a hair product where you can compare hold and shine levels. They clean the hair, they make it smooth, they make it look good. That's it. However, there is one comparison that is worth talking about, and that is comparing these to the other cleanser within the line, the Detox Me, of course. The big difference here between these and the Detox Me shampoo, as I see it anyway, is the Detox Me is part of the Zero line within the By Vilain lineup. That means no parabens, no perfumes, no coloring. It's for people that really want to use a shampoo without things like that. That's really the biggest difference. I do also think that after testing both of them side by side, that the Rush set has more overall cleaning power than the Detox Me, which in turn means that it has a lot more than the Skyline Breeze set, which will be going away anyway, so it doesn't really even matter. So when it comes down to choosing one of them, it really just boils down to whether you care about having other things. I mean, I'm not saying that there's anything bad in here. I don't think there's anything bad in here. I don't think there's anything wrong with sulfates or parabens. I know some of you guys think it's gonna make your hair fall out, but to me, it just really seems like unnecessary fear. But if you want something without parabens, you can go with the Detox Me, or you can, go with whatever brand you want. Or you could kind of do what I do, which is not care so much about what's inside the bottle as much as what it does for you when you actually use it. That's how I kind of see things. If I use a shampoo and it makes my hair feel good and it cleans as it's supposed to, I use it. If it makes my hair feel dry, if it makes it brittle, I don't use it. Simple as that. What I see after using this set is I see a deep clean, a really deep clean, leaving the hair and scalp feeling refreshed. It also knocks out product, as you guys saw. I have tested it with oil base. It works really well with the conditioner method, by the way. It knocks out oil base in one shampoo if you use the conditioner method. And really, I gotta say, I was just overall impressed by what I saw there, and I'm for sure gonna continue to use these a lot, actually, but I'm not choosing a favorite. I never choose favorites. I'll be continuing to seek out other products and other shampoos, other cleansers, other cleansing oils, things like that, to fill these segments with and help you guys seek out all the awesome shampoos that are out there on the market. But in the meantime, if you guys are looking for a good shampoo that helps eliminate a lot of those hair issues guys like me have with thick hair, poofy hair, dry hair, sometimes untamable hair, I think this set really sets you up for success on that front. So I do think they were very well done, and if you guys want to check them out, they are available right now in the Slikhaarshop. There's no waiting for them to drop. They're already here. And as always, you can use code MMTV to save yourself some money if you're looking to check these out, or any of the products actually offered at the shop. That is it though for today's episode of Shampoo Search. I hope you enjoyed looking at these with me here. If you did, make sure you tap that thumbs up for me and drop me a comment. I always love seeing those. And of course, if you want to see more from this segment and all the other segments here on the channel, that subscribe button there is the best way to do that. I do also want to thank you very much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. I will, of course, be back with you guys soon this week with some more new content. And until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.